Well, we're now halfway through the project engines. Which engine will I pick next? Let's find out. Alright. Let's find out what engine I chose next. Seems the engine decided to leave the cars behind. But, as you can see, I chose the 080. Now, this one is going to be an interesting one, since this is one of the two that for some reason just wants to free roll. Well, we have a light. No reaction from the motor. Well, let's see what we can do with it. Alright, let's begin the teardown. Alright, as we can see, the axles are very gunked up. Okay, so, after much fuss, I got the wheel set out. Well, here's the motor. Commutator is a bit dirty, so let's go ahead and pop these guys off. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to go test it quick. Alright, after giving it a quick test, I got no electrical response from the motor, but I did get a hum. So let's see what we can do. I have still yet to have some fiberglass brushes to clean the commutator with, but I do have some ordered. In the meantime, we'll just have to try and clean it, well, clean off the carbon with the alcohol. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and put some oil in some of the bearings here before we put the motor completely back together. Oh, that spins nicely now. Well, of course, it's going to spin nicely. More important thing is going to be whether or not it works. Alright, I'm going to go give a quick test over at my temporary testing station and see what I get as a response. I'll be right back. So I tested the motor over there, and some good news, it does run. So now we just have to figure out as to why the wheels spin freely. I have a feeling it might just be because it wasn't fully set, because I did notice that the chassis did move a little. So now I'm going to give the chassis a good cleaning. Alright, let's go ahead and put the engine back together and see what's up now. That third wheel is giving us issues again. Okay, well, I don't like that, Okay, so after inspecting both the gear on the drive wheels as well as the gear on the motor, I've come to the conclusion that it's possible the drive wheel gear is a little too stripped, which is why the engine does not want to move at all. So for now, I'm going to reassemble this and work on the next engine until I can get the part for another set of wheels. Luckily, I have seen another set, so we just have to wait for them to come. So until that stuff comes, I'll see you on down the line.